Okay, hello, this is NoobTube Day 20. Actually, last night I was working all day on books because I don't have a virtual assistant helping me in that regard anymore. So I was ordering books and then adding them and then putting them on sheets. So it's a lot of work, and I did that all up until late in the night, and then I turned in and I didn't realize I didn't publish this video. So that's okay. I think going back to setting low goals, if you don't meet a goal, you don't become critical of yourself. You don't talk down about yourself. You don't self-sabotage. You simply just go back and do your best to continue to be consistent. There's times that things are going to happen, but you don't let that get you down. You don't try to make up for it. Like if I said I was going to exercise for 30 minutes today and I didn't do, try to make it up, because you know sometimes when you do that, then the goals become you don't have enough energy to make it up. So sometimes you just got to start all over and start fresh. In this case, it was a pretty uneventful day yesterday as it was the day before. Yesterday I was working mostly books. This is the morning time when I'm making day 20, so there'll be a day 21 tonight. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again soon.